up, you all? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you all how to achieve this gorgeous curl with this wig, which is from Tinashe Hair. I will have a discount code down below for you all, so you go ahead and check that out and get a discount off your purchase. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Please make sure to subscribe and click the bell notification so you'll always know when it is that I am uploading. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So here are some of the items that they send with your hair when you purchase it, which is really nice. You can pretty much see what it is that comes with it. So the wig that I have is a 22-inch, which is an HD lace wig as well. Which I'm not going to show on the video is the part where I pluck and bleach the knots, but I did do so. So yeah, go ahead and pluck and bleach your knots. I feel like that's pretty much self-explanatory, so I didn't show that part. Now I'm using my spritz to go ahead and lay the top of the hair down, and I'm going to use my hot comb to make it extremely flat as possible because no one wants that puffiness at the top of their hair. So now here goes the fun part, which is me curling the hair. I'm going to curl it facing downward. If that makes any sense to you all, you can see exactly what it is that I am doing. But I am using my spritz as well as some oil throughout. I randomly decided that I wanted to do a side part, which is why you're going to see a random shift within this video right now. Yeah, I thought it looked better with a side part. All I did was just part it on the side, just swooped it over. I didn't have to recurl anything. So yeah, I'm keeping it in a side part. But now I'm going to go ahead and glue down my lace and cut the rest of the extra lace off. So we have reached the end of this video. I really hope you all enjoy watching me create this gorgeous hairstyle. If you enjoyed it, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel with the bell notifications turned on so you'll always know when I'm uploading, as well as follow me on all of my social media platforms so you can see my lovely pictures after I do my videos and stuff like that. So I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, loves.